Are you ready to take your online store to the next level without breaking the bank? Right now, Shopify is offering an exclusive deal you won't want to miss. In this video, I'll show you how to claim it step by step. With this offer, you'll get 3 months of Shopify for just $1 a month. That's right, 3 full months to explore Shopify's powerful tools, design your store, and start selling, all for nearly free. Typically, Shopify only offers a 3-day free trial or a 1-month trial for $1, so this extended deal is a game changer. Getting started is simple. Click the top link in the video description or the pinned comment. You'll be taken directly to Shopify's exclusive page where you can activate this incredible offer. Enter your details, choose your plan, and start building your dream store. Shopify provides everything you need to succeed: customizable templates, seamless integrations, and robust analytics to help you grow. And with this deal, you'll have 90 days to dive in and build without financial stress. But hurry! This is a limited time offer. Don't miss out on this chance to launch your online store with Shopify at a fraction of the cost. Click the link below to claim your 3-month trial for just $1 a month and start turning your business idea into reality today. Thank you for watching, and be sure to grab this offer before it's gone.